Want to replace your microwave's power cable? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a screwdriver and a new power cable. Step 1. Remove the housing. Loosen the screws at the back. Pull the casing back and then lift it to remove it. Step 2. Discharge the capacitor. Before you start the repair, it is important to discharge the capacitor first. This is because it may still be under high voltage. To do this, use a piece of insulated tool and carefully connect the two voltage connections of the capacitor with it. Step 3. Remove the old power cable. First, disconnect all cables. It is useful to take a picture in advance so you know how to reconnect the power cables. Then take out the old power cable. Step 4. Insert the new power cable. Place the new power cable in place of the old one. Reconnect the cables to the correct connection points. Step 5. Place back the housing. Put the housing back in place and tighten the screw securely. You have replaced the power cable and your microwave is ready to use again.